Yo guys, what's up? Today we're looking at Nexflix. Alright, if you've been following me, we have this Nexflix stock we just got put at 2:30, and its stock had dropped Friday. Right on expiration day, it dropped $15. Like, holy cow, it's unbelievable. But anyway, we're recovering. We got put the stock. Not a big deal. Have lots of capital in reserve. Well, some capital. Alright, so what we're going to do today is we're going to sell a covered call because Nexflix is ripe. So here we're going to go. So you guys see we're in this range for Nexflix, okay? Hovering around 230. I really like it at this position. If it drops below, obviously the base is at 180. Hopefully it's not going back there. I think we're going up, but let's take a look at our pricing of our options here. November, that's way out there. Let's look at the end of this week. $6. That's pretty good premium. Let's see the end of next week. 16. Whoa. Lots of volatility in this stock, in this position. All right, so I'm going to go with this one right here. I'm going to sell a covered call at, wow, I'm going to go 240. What do you guys think about that? I bought it at 230. Selling a covered call here. So let's see if we can get this. All right, let's go with the max. I'm going to say sell to open. $1,250 in my pocket. Guaranteed. Pretty cool. Let's see if we got it. All right, guys, we filled at $12.50, which is $1,250 minus my 50-cent fee. It's $1,245. Not bad for 2 weeks worth of work, plus the premium I'm going to get. Let's go back and take a look. Here we go. You can see I sold a covered call here. I bought the stock at 230. It dropped last week on Friday, got put the stock, and now making cash on cash. Pretty good. Every 2 weeks I make $1,250 on this. That's pretty good. It's 25 grand a year. It's basically 100% profit return on investment. So if you guys want to learn how to do this, be sure you subscribe to my channel, number one, and number two, get my real-time trades by joining the channel for a small nominal fee. It's pretty cheap, actually, compared to what I used to charge my private students. If you guys are interested, sign up on the channel and send me a message, and welcome you to the channel. All right, guys, I'll catch you later. Be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.